Lizzo's right here, Kevin. This is fucking day, what is it, day 5, 4? Day 4, huh? Not 4, 5? Fuck, I think it's 5. Oh yeah, this is day 5. Better. Chicken dinner. And what this is fucking one. Long way to go though. Long way to go.
3, 2, 1, now.
Alright, so my name is Sideshow, and this video is going to be about us making something interesting, turning something ugly into something nice and beautiful. Alright, so we're going to turn this ugly ass barrel right here into this. Alright, so step 1, we're going to sand it down because there's a lot of rust on this bullshit right here. I already started a little bit, but this is the first time I did this, to be honest, so, you know, I guess, I mean, going left like this seems like it's doing the job. It's looking way better, huh?
Hell yeah.
Woo. Alright, so as I was sanding, I came across this sticker right here. I don't want you to guys see what it says. But so if you guys come across a sticker, just throw the whole barrel away because it's fucking too much time to even clean it. So fuck that shit.
Hi, me Cookie Monster. As you know me, I like cookies. But when I eat cookies, me like to eat break time cookie. Break time cookie come in 4 different flavors. Coconut is a very good flavor, but you know what? Me gonna be honest, me having a real hard time trying to do cookie commercial around cookies, knowing I have cookie problem.
Cookie Monster, stop! Chill! No! Hey, stop! No! Chill! No! Hey, stop! Relax! Chill!
Oh! Sorry about that, guys. Something me get a little carried away. Anyways, you can ask these satisfied customers how good break time cookies are. Yeah.
My favorite flavor is chocolate chip.
And my favorite is coconut.
Hola, a mí me gusta el hanger. Está bueno las galletas, ¿eh?
I don't know about you, but I love Chex Mix. Makes me feel good.
You wanna run that by me one more time?
Well, I said I love Chex.
Fuck! You wanna run that by me one more time?
Get a headache!
Say that shit again! Say Chex Mix is better than some break time cookie! Which cookie is better?
Break time?
Okay. Get your break time cookie today!
Break time cookie. Okay. Now we're back from the commercial. Okay, so look, I grabbed it with my like finger, and it's actually coming off. Maybe the brake cleaner was kicking in a little late. Oh, you know when you take a shot of vodka and you sit down, and it doesn't really hit till you stand up and run around. Ugh. Okay. I think we're just gonna paint over the sticker, man. Fucking.
Or just leave it like that. Fuck it. I mean, it's just a barrel, bro.
It's gotta be a nice ass pearl. Hey, go in the alley and then roll it down towards me, and I'm gonna jump over it, and I'll put this on. Like, you know, in Donkey Kong when it jumps over.
Oh yeah, I got you.
What's up, man? Huh?
They coming.
Oh, yeah? You ready?
Yeah. Explain it.
All right, so we're gonna rinse them off now. Just to take off like whatever dust and whatnot's on there. Years of dead skin cells, possibly. I hope you're eating right now, by the way. Alright, so now we're gonna dry the buckets. I'm gonna use this because I have it, airbrush. Alright, so we just moved on to this because airbrushing it was too slow. We had access to this fan, so we're just gonna use the fan as faster.
And action.
Alright, so now after we finish brushing off the rust, we're gonna use like actually this is a 60 grit sandpaper to just like sand down whatever residue is in here. Just so that when we do our primer, it's like a nice clean finish. Oh, look at all that crap on my hand. Ew, touch it. Alright, so we're about to prep for the paint. So I'm gonna make sure the barrel is nice and clean. So I'm gonna airbrush all the dust off and whatever's on there. Alright, so for the primer, we're gonna use this leftover paint I have from this other project I made. Oh shit, the lid's not closed. It's alright, it's still useful. But it's white paint. We're gonna mix it with our, a gun we bought from Harbor Freight for 10 bucks. I just have this in the shelf, so I might as well use this to make the project look a bit nicer than a spray can. And if you can't get access to the gun, you can use one of these spray cans. Rust-Oleum high performance enamel. They do the same job, but I honestly want to use the gun because I want to see how the result comes from the gun. Because I already did another barrel with these. These do pretty good, but yeah, it's like $5-6 a can. So I had bought these originally to spray paint the barrel, but fuck it, I had the gun in stock, so let me try the gun. All right, first off, I'm gonna pour the paint in here. So let me do that in a second, cause well, maybe I could do it like this. Let's hope this is not a big ass fail. I know this is not the right way, but okay. Cut.
Action.
All right. Yeah. Sorry about that, guys. All right. Now we pour the paint. Now I'm gonna plug the air. I haven't honestly used this I don't know how to use this 100%. I just watched some videos and it's done the job. I got the job done. Oh, it's coming out.
Action.
All right, so if you're gonna use one of these guns with some paint, you gotta use a latex paint or oil-based paint. Any other kind of paint, you're probably gonna have to mix it with some paint thinner, or you could use the add some gasoline to thin out the paint. It actually kind of saves you a little bit more money and get a better finish, in my opinion, because a spray can costs about $6, and to primer this real nice and good, you're gonna use about maybe 2 to 3 white spray cans. And you could buy a bucket of that paint that I showed you earlier, and a bucket of that costs about maybe 10 to 15 bucks, and you're gonna use maybe about half of the paint in the bucket and still have a whole bunch of paint more.
Okay, and also explain the part where the one I fucked up in, the consecutive one.
Oh no, well this is not really like a tutorial. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's it.
Action.
Alright, and when you're painting, if you're using this or a spray can, same concept. You go light coats of this, left and right. And don't worry if it's not coming out too nice right away, because you're gonna add about 3 coats of this, and then by the 3rd coat you'll start seeing a better finish. Patience, guys, patience. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. If you guys saw any mistakes I made in the video, like anywhere I need improvement in, you know, feel free to drop a comment down below. It will help me out, you know, to know where I can improve. And you know, shout out to Lizard, the camera guy right here. So yeah, that's how you make some ugly ass barrels look like some a little bit better barrels.